Alrighty, and Anuki Child here. This is our first firework review. This is the weekend before 4th of July, 2023. And this puppy is a fountain. We love fountains. Fountains are actually my favorite, and aerials. But this is the Outlaw fountain. Those of you who didn't know, I am direct descendants of Jesse James. Look it up. It is there. Anyway, Texas Outlaw. Let's see here. You find a nice flat spot here. And we're going to light this mother effer up.
Can you do this, please?
You got it. Come on now. Beep. Gosh. Come on, babe. You got this.
I got a bug in my eye.
Oh, no. All right. Well, I guess Dad's going to have to light it.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, here we go. See what we got going on here. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Nice. We got some golds and some greens. Nice. Dang. Oh, dang. Gotta back up from that. Get on now. Oh, damn. Go ahead. Ah. Okay. That was crazy.
Awesome.
So what do we give it, guys?
I give it a 100 out of 10.
100 out of 10.
Yep.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right. Babe, what do you give it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I'll give it a 8 out of 10.